Hey, this is Ed. I'm the owner of AtticFoil.com, RoofingFoil.com, and BlueTexInsulation.com. We are one company with 3 different websites that specialize in radiant barrier products, but for 3 different applications. Today, I'm going to give you a behind-the-scenes tour of our warehouse and distribution center. Most of these wood crates you see behind me are our standard AtticFoil radiant barrier. This is a product that's designed to go in residential attics to reflect the heat. Basically, it's like a big tree landing over the roof part of the attic. This product comes in 26-inch, 48-inch, which is our most popular, or a 60-inch. We generally have about 3 million square feet in stock. So whether you're an individual do-it-yourselfer or a contractor, we can fill your order today and get it shipped out. These big rolls behind me are our roofing foil, available at RoofingFoil.com. Now, roofing foil is specially designed to be used under metal and tile roofs, basically roofing systems that have an airspace in them. It won't work under regular shingles because they don't have the airspace. But if you're installing a metal or tile roof, roofing foil, the only thing better than putting attic foil inside your attic is to get a radiant barrier by using roofing foil on top of the roof. It's also Miami-Dade approved, so this is the gold standard for roofing underlayment. It can be used in hurricane-prone areas, and it can be used anywhere. It is super durable and the best roofing underlayment available. We also keep about 1,000 rolls of roofing foil in stock at any given time. That's 1 million square feet. So once again, whether you're an individual roofing contractor, a homeowner, or if you're doing a big apartment complex or a big commercial complex that uses metal or tile roofs, give us a call. We've got stock available to ship out for you today. Finally, behind me, you'll see our BlueTex products available at BlueTexInsulation.com. Now, the BlueTex products are specially designed for what we call either non-conditioned or semi-conditioned buildings. Generally, these are metal buildings like barns, sheds, airplane hangars, garages, storage facilities, buildings that you're not fully heating and cooling on a 24/7 basis. They combine a radiant barrier and just enough insulation to help reduce or eliminate condensation. These products can be installed either as new construction or as a retrofit. It can go in after your building's already built. All the products come with an easy to seal peel and stick seam. You just peel off the paper, overlap it a couple of inches, and stick them together, and you don't have to worry about additional tape on the seams. We also keep about 1,000 rolls of the BlueTex insulation products in stock. So whether you're doing just a personal shed or garage, or if you've got a large warehouse or commercial building, once again, we have the inventory ready to ship to you today. If it's a small order, less than 7 or 10 rolls, we'll generally just ship them in individual boxes. Once we get over 10 or 12 rolls, we'll put them on pallets and send them by a freight carrier, or we'll even send full truckloads out to a job site if needed. One thing that we do a little different is we take a lot of pride in how we package and ship your product. We have custom-made boxes for all the different size rolls, whether it be a 26-inch, the 48-inch product, or the 60-inch product. Whatever the product, we have custom boxes made, and we also put foam on the ends to protect the products from damage on either end that can happen during transport. So once the products are packed into these boxes, we pack them up, we put labels, and we ship them off, put them on a pallet, and send them out by the forklift every day. Typically, shipping is from 1 to 4 days, depending on where you're located. If you're keeping track, we keep about 5 million square feet of all the products combined in stock. We never want to run out when our customer needs an order. Now, having a lot of stock is fine, and we make the best quality products available. But what really makes our business different is the customer service. Yeah, we can ship the same day and everything else, but one thing that we really do different is we know our products, we understand building science, radiant heat, air conditioning, construction. So people are always calling and asking questions, and we'll tell them something and they're surprised, like, wow, I had no idea about that. I'm glad I called you, and I'm glad I got that information. So if you have any questions about your job or project, give us a call, send us an email, send us some pictures. Pictures are great to help describe your application. We want to get the right product for your application. We always ask people, what's your goal? And then we work from there to see if we can help you achieve it. So I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes tour of AtticFoil.com, RoofingFoil.com, at BlueTexInsulation.com.